Hey friends, this is Mohit Mehta. I am pursuing BBS from Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies in DU. I secured rank 1, All India rank 1 in both BBS and BFIA in the entrance process. Yes. Well, I am here to share my experience which I had with Pratham. Initially, before the board started, I thought that okay, I'll give the boards, apply, rest for one and a half months. After the cutoffs come out, apply in DU, go for BCom honors, do a CA, maybe an MBA after that at a later stage, and life set. Then I had this counseling session with Pratham, where I got to know that okay, dude, CA is not my cup of tea. Here I was shown the mirror. Literally, I was shown the mirror. I was shown the other side of me, something which honestly I had never searched for in me. I was told that management is what I have to do, what I can do. There's something in which I have a scope. I was shown the prospects of management and the scope of a professional course. Then I joined Pratham. I joined the crash course, which started immediately after the boards ended. Like 22nd of March the boards ended, and from 23rd we had the classes. There we had 3-hour classes every 4 days a week. And after a week, some of us, including me and some of my friends, we started staying back even after classes to practice the questions and read newspapers and whatever. So here, we got the support of the most, the best teachers like Devakshi ma'am, Ankit sir, Anubhav sir in their respective fields. And even we put in our efforts, studying here for 10 hours a day is not easy, but yes, you have to do it, to reach the top. Yes. We stayed back for 10 hours, studied, got the guidance of the teachers, we, clarified our doubts if we had any. Then after the entrance exam, even practiced for the GDs and the interview, which also we stayed here, we had GD sessions, 8-hour continuous GD sessions every day before the actual GD, the college GD. Then that was, the best experience we had here, with the teachers and even the students, the interaction with the students studying in those colleges and also the students applying with us. That was such a brilliant experience, an exposure, a small exposure to what it would be at the original interview and group discussion. Then the day came, we went there, I gave the interview, and yes, that was it. That was what, that day I was so happy that okay, thank God I joined Pratham, because the other people, in comparison to them, my interview and GD was awesome, literally awesome. And on the day of the results, well, everybody was happy when we saw the result. And that was it. Before I end, I would like to say, it would not have been possible to secure rank 1 if I hadn't joined Pratham. Trust me on that.